Alrighty, what is up, you guys? So, as you guys know, I am getting a mini bike this weekend. CJ is supposed to bring it, hopefully maybe Sunday, if he doesn't work. So, it's all up in the air still. I am getting it. I am going to pay him some money. He told me it's free, but I will give him some money for it. Because, that's what a good friend does. So, I've been waiting for these packages to come in for a very long time. Well, this was already in. I bought it from the store. But it goes on this motor as well. So let's get on to unboxing the new parts for the 212 Predator 6.5 horse. So here we go. Alrighty, so this first one came from BMI Carts. So if you guys want to get any parts, go through BMI Carts or GoPowersports.com, which I will be getting some parts from them as well. I just won't say that part because the part that I'm getting from Go Power Sports is a pretty cool part. It makes your motor look pretty snazzy and it looks pretty cool. Cars and Cameras actually inspired me to get in one. It's not a sponsored video or nothing. If I like a product, I will buy it. I just won't get it for nothing. So, this one is the Stage 1 kit for the Predator 212s or a 196cc motor. So right here you have your cone. I've already had one of these before on a 6.5 and they do work fantastic. I just never had the pre-filter. And there should be the adapter that you would have to put on, and a new gasket and a bigger jet. So there is the adapter, billet aluminum, so that's gonna look pretty snazzy, and new gaskets, another gasket which mine is pretty new yet, and a bigger main jet for the carburetor. So that's pretty snazzy. And I think that's pretty much it. Yep, that's pretty much it for the Stage 1 kit. Yep. So the next thing is this one. If you follow me on Instagram, you would already know that I gave these guys a big shout out. They helped me out a lot. I bought centrifugal clutches before from Homer's, but this is the first time I've ever bought a centrifugal clutch online. So they hooked me up with this one. It's a racing clutch. I know what a centrifugal clutch looks like. I know what size chain I needed for it. So they hooked me up with a more tougher one. So they sent me this one. I paid $35 for the centrifugal clutch. Not going to a torque converter because I've had one before. They're just a pain. They're big, and this is more for like racing and stuff. So they hooked me up with this, and it's a pretty good, strong clutch, I do say myself. So thank you. So the next clip that you guys will see, we will be installing the Stage 1 kit on the 212 Predator. the bowl so we can get to the main jet. So we can put in the new one and the bigger one. So it's a 10mm, I do believe. So if you do have gas in the bowl, it will come out when you crack this loose, which I'm going to put rubber gloves on because I don't want to smell like gas when I go inside. So, should have probably put my gloves on before I started the camera, but it's... yeah. So now we can remove this bolt. You guys can tell the gas is starting to spew out, which is not a lot, but it's enough to get you wet. So the main jet is up in here, so we have to take our small screwdriver with a fine tip on it and carefully unscrew it without stripping it out. Alright, the old jet fell out. It's right there. And we can reinstall our new one. Just like so. Alrighty, so my phone stopped recording as soon as I was putting the new jet in. The new jet is in. This is the old one. So I normally just keep them just for, you know, poops and giggles if I ever get rid of this motor, which I probably won't. So after you install your new jet, put your bowl nut back on and put your bowl back on as well. And that's pretty much it for jetting your carburetor. And that's pretty much it for the Stage 1 kit on the Predator 212. So the little black filter that I have, which is right here, I'm going to make a tab that will come off this and feed into this filter like an elbow, and it will be the breather for the valve cover, which when I get my new valve cover in, it will have a top inlet, so this might not last too long, and then I will add it to the fuel because this is a little breather. So, but for right now, I'm just going to leave it like that. I normally always run my breathers like that. It's just a breather. So yeah, what do you guys think? The motor's coming along pretty good. Oh yeah, we forgot to install one last thing. Let's get to installing that. Alrighty. You guys caught it before I did. Thank you. But this is the pre-filter that just slips over it, so the main filter does not get all dirty. And yeah, it looks pretty good. So yeah, leave your comments down below. What do you guys think of the 212 Predator build for the mini bike? And all I have to really do is just install the clutch, which is just slipping it on to the shaft and tightening it down, which I won't do yet until I get the mini bike in and align the chain and everything. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what do you guys think. More parts are coming for this in the mail. They should be here tomorrow, so you guys will have 2 videos. One for now and then one for tomorrow. So you guys will have 2 videos. One for each day. So thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, give me a big like. Comment down something down below. And share with your friends. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for the 858, I do believe. So thank you guys very much for that. I'm trying to really get to 1K. It's a big dream of mine. So hopefully with this mini bike build and the 212 build that we're kind of starting, I think we can go places with it, and the F-150 project. So thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys later.